Excuse me. Can you help me, please? I believe I am lost.
Hello. Yes, of course I can help you. Are you visiting the city?
Yes, I am a tourist here. I need to locate the main square.
The main square is not far from this spot. It is a large open place.
That is good news for me. I want to see the old buildings there.
You need to walk straight along this street. Just keep going ahead.
Straight along this street. I understand the first part.
You will pass a large green park. It will be on your left side.
A large green park on the left. I will watch for the trees.
After the park, you will see a big traffic light. Be aware of it.
A traffic light. Do I need to stop and wait there?
Yes, you must wait for the green light. Then you may cross the street.
Cross the street after the traffic light. That sounds simple.
Then you must turn right immediately. The street name is King Street.
Turn right onto King Street. I will make a mental note of that name.
Walk down King Street for about 5 minutes. It is usually a busy street.
5 minutes walk. I enjoy walking and seeing the city sights.
You will see a tall gray statue. It represents a famous local person.
A tall gray statue. I definitely want to take a picture of it.
The main square is directly behind the statue. You will notice many small cafes.
Right behind the statue. That is extremely clear.
Do you need a map of the city? I often carry a small paper map.
No, thank you. Your verbal directions are very good. I feel confident.
You are welcome. Have a nice time exploring the main square.
Thank you, Anna. You are very kind to visitors.
It is my pleasure to assist. Enjoy your sightseeing trip.
I will start walking straight. Goodbye for a while.
Excuse me, Anna. I have returned from the square, but I need to continue my travels.
Hello again, Tom. I am glad you successfully found the square. Where is your next destination?
I must find the main bus station. It is important I catch a bus soon.
The bus station is quite a distance away. It would take too long to walk there.
Too far to walk. Which mode of transportation should I use?
You should take the local tram service. The tram is very efficient and fast.
Where is the nearest tram stop located? Is it close to this spot?
The tram stop is just on the next corner. Simply turn left right here.
Turn left on the next corner. I will walk with caution.
Look for the big red sign. The sign indicates Tram Stop 4.
Red sign. Tram stop 4. I will wait there patiently for the tram.
You must board tram number 15. This route travels to the city suburbs.
Tram number 15. Do I need to purchase a ticket beforehand?
Yes, you buy the ticket from the machine at the stop. The fare is $2.
$2 for the ticket. I have enough coins for the machine.
The bus station is the 4th stop along the tram line. Pay attention.
4th stop. Approximately how long does the ride usually last?
The tram journey takes about 15 minutes total. It is a quick ride.
15 minutes. That is certainly much faster than walking everywhere.
When you exit the tram, you will see the bus station immediately nearby.
I will see the station straight away. Thank you for the detailed breakdown.
Please remember to press the stop button before you reach the fourth stop.
Press the button. I will try to remember that specific rule.
You should hurry slightly. The next tram is arriving shortly.
Thank you for the warning. I will proceed to the corner.
I am completely confused about this address. Could you check this?
Of course. What specific detail is causing the difficulty?
I need to find this small street called Willow Lane. I have not heard of it before.
Willow Lane. Ah, I know that particular street well. It is a very quiet residential area.
Is Willow Lane far from the central shopping area? I need to meet a friend there.
It is not a great distance. However, you need to go through the park first.
Go through the park. I recall the big green park from earlier.
You must enter the park area and walk along the main central path.
Walk on the wide main path. I will follow that specific path carefully.
The path will lead you past a large fountain. The water feature is very beautiful.
A beautiful fountain. I will probably stop there for a short break.
After you pass the fountain, you must take the first small path leading to the left.
The very first small path to the left after the fountain. I understand that direction.
That particular small path will guide you directly out of the park boundaries.
It takes me out of the park. Where exactly does the path finally end?
The path finishes precisely at Willow Lane. It is quite a short street.
It ends right on the street. That arrangement is very convenient for me.
Willow Lane features old wooden fences. Look specifically for those fences.
Old wooden fences. I will look for those specific landmark features.
Does your friend reside on the left side or the right side of the street?
My friend lives on the left side. It is the distinct house with the bright red door.
That is a very specific and distinct house. You will definitely find it easily.
Thank you for helping me navigate through the park. Your directions are absolutely clear. I feel a slight bit unwell. I need to find a pharmacy with urgency.
Oh dear, I am sorry to hear you are not well. What medicine do you need to purchase?
I need to buy some medicine for a headache. I have quite a strong headache.
You need the drugstore. There is an excellent one located on the next street over.
A drugstore on the next street. Which general direction should I walk from this point?
Walk straight until you see the large bank building. The bank is painted bright white.
Straight to the white bank building. I will pay attention to the name above the door.
Then you must turn left precisely at the bank corner. It is a mandatory turn.
Turn left at the bank. I will remember that key intersection.
The pharmacy is the third shop along that street. Count carefully.
The third shop. What specific color is the pharmacy sign?
The pharmacy has a big, bright green cross sign outside. It is easy to spot.
Green cross sign. That symbol is very recognizable for a pharmacy.
Do you need to purchase anything additional there? Perhaps some small bandages?
No, thank you. Only the essential medicine for my painful head is needed.
The pharmacy remains open until 9 p.m. You have plenty of available time.
That is good information. I need to get the medicine soon.
Do you carry enough money for the medicine? It may cost $10.
Yes, I have sufficient funds in my wallet. I came prepared for expenses.
After visiting the pharmacy, you can sit down in the small coffee shop located adjacent.
A coffee shop right next to the pharmacy. That is a wonderful idea for a short rest.
I hope the medicine begins working quickly for you. You really need to feel better soon.
Thank you, Anna. I will proceed straight toward the bank.
I feel much better, thank you, but I am extremely hungry.
I am very happy to see you looking better. Are you searching for a place for dinner?
Yes, I want to locate the famous Red Dragon Chinese restaurant. I heard good things.
Ah, the Red Dragon. That specific restaurant is a very popular destination in the city.
Is the restaurant far from this area? I am feeling quite tired after my walk.
It is not an excessive distance, but taking a taxi from this spot is advisable.
A taxi is definitely better. Where can I find the nearest taxi stand?
The primary taxi stand is across the street from here. It is close to the newspaper kiosk.
Across the street, near the kiosk. I will cross the road safely.
You must clearly state the full name of the restaurant to the taxi driver.
The Red Dragon Chinese restaurant. I will pronounce it very carefully.
The journey by car should take about 8 minutes total. It is a quick trip.
8 minutes is very fast indeed. Approximately how much should the taxi fare be?
It should cost approximately $10. Do not pay an amount exceeding $12.
$10. I will get the cash ready for the driver.
The restaurant is located on the 3rd floor of a large black building.
3rd floor of a black building. That specific detail is very important to remember.
The building has bright red lights illuminating the exterior. It is very easy to spot at night.
Bright red lights. I will look for that particular color immediately.
Do you possess a reservation for the restaurant? It is frequently busy and often full.
No, I do not have a reservation. I sincerely hope I can still get a table.
You should call them from the taxi. You need to call ahead of time.
I will call them immediately after I am in the taxi.
Have a delicious dinner at the Red Dragon. Enjoy your Chinese meal.
Thank you, Anna. You absolutely saved my dinner plans for the evening.
I am back here again after a wonderful dinner. I need to return home.
Hello, Tom. Your dinner must have been very good. You appear quite satisfied.
The Chinese food was truly amazing. Could you remind me how to get back to the Grand Hotel?
Ah, the Grand Hotel. That location is close to the bus station we discussed earlier.
Is it too late to take the tram? I hope the trams are still operating.
No, the trams continue running until midnight. You still have plenty of available time.
Great. Where is the nearest tram stop situated from this exact location?
Walk straight ahead to the large bookstore building. It is painted a noticeable yellow.
Straight to the yellow bookstore. I will look for that bright color.
The required tram stop is located directly next to the bookstore entrance.
Next to the entrance. Which tram number should I use to get back to the hotel?
You need tram number 8. That specific tram will stop directly outside your hotel entrance.
Tram number 8. That arrangement is extremely convenient for my return.
Please do not forget to purchase a ticket from the machine again.
I will buy the ticket first. The fare remains $2.
The hotel is the 5th stop on the number 8 tramline route.
5th stop. I will pay close attention to the street names passing by.
You will see a large, bright, illuminated sign that says Grand Hotel.
A bright sign. I will watch carefully for that familiar landmark.
Have a relaxing tram ride back to your hotel this evening.
Thank you, Anna. You have been the most helpful person I encountered today.
Thank you, Tom. I am genuinely glad I could assist you in navigating our city.
Good night. I am heading to the yellow bookstore.
Good night. Have a very restful and peaceful sleep in the Grand Hotel.